Grumpaloo.
Now remember, this is only a prototype.
We have a major department store interested in marketing these.
So if everything goes as planned, they'll be ready just in time for Christmas.
Oh, we all know what that means.
It means Mommy and Daddy better get out their wallets.
I was gonna say that Santa's gonna be very busy this year.
Well, that goes without saying. But you like the doll, right?
Oh, she's beautiful.
Will you be my friend?
Oh, devil child.
Someone's grumpy.
It's possessed. Someone get a Bible and kill it.
That's just a tester voice.
We'll start auditioning for the real Missy voice ASAP.
Well, why can't I be Missy Grumpaloo?
It's just I think we need a professional on this.
Not that you don't have a beautiful voice.
I see.
So all we need is your approval, and we can get Missy on those shelves for Christmas.
You know what? I don't think I like that doll very much.
But you just said she's...
Hate it! It's stupid and ugly.
Uh-oh. Here comes trouble.
She's pretending to hate the Missy Grumpaloo doll.
I see. And we want her to really hate the doll. Or love the doll. Maybe she should stop playing with dolls altogether.
She loves the doll. She wants to be Missy's voice.
And she can't because...
Christmas is coming. A lot of money is at stake. We could be recording Millie in the studio for weeks and still not get what we need.
Well, I could do some voice work with her. I mean, I'm no James Earl Jones, but I was in junior choir. Okay, plan B. What if you let Millie audition? Maybe once she hears herself compared to professional voices, she'll give in.
Well, it's better than waiting for her to change her mind. And we all know how stubborn Millie can be. Come on, Millie, the bookstore is closing.
Give me a minute. I got short pants on the ropes here. You gotta blink sometime, kid. Whoa! Oh, you're good.
I'll set up an audition.
Thanks for shopping at Clubtown. Wow, you have 127,000 points.
What, points?
Every time you buy something here, you get points.
Really? Can I cash them in and get, oh, that leather jacket?
Sorry, it's not in the catalog.
Oh, here we go. Let me guess. I can get a rinky-dink beach umbrella or a beer cooler or... There's some quality stuff in here.
I shouldn't be telling you this, but they're canceling the program. In 2 days, your points will be wiped out.
What? They can't do that. I worked hard for those points.
I'm just saying, if you're gonna use them, better cash them in quick.
Oh, you watch me. Nobody takes T-Rhymes points. You weasel.
I'm on your side.
Now remember, these are professional voice actors, so try not to be intimidated.
I'd be more intimidated in a room full of pillow monkeys.
Pillow monkeys?
Yeah, monkeys made out of pillows. Where have you been? Oh, dear. Take a look at that one. Looks like she spent the night in a barn. Lucky for you that this is a voice audition.
Why?
Well, because you got a big zit on your face. No, seriously. It's like a third eye.
What's her problem? Hey, one of these girls here your daughter?
No. Well, why would you think I have a daughter here?
Oh, no reason, just... Anywho.
That was so freaky. Let's see if I can get him to say something else. Pardon me, but could you say something else?
Millie Upton?
At your service! It's a small example of my voice talent. Lead the way, audition lady!
That better not be my Victoria's Secret catalog.
The Victoria's Secret doesn't come out till the first of the month. This is a Clubtown points catalog.
Oh, let me see. I love Clubtown.
Yeah, me too, but there's nothing I want in this one. What I wanted was a leather jacket.
Oh, a desktop water feature.
A pond for your desk. It's a stupid idea.
I'll give you $50 for it.
It's getting less stupid.
You don't want any of this stuff? How about an espresso machine?
Is there an espresso machine? Mm-hmm. Oh, I've always wanted one of those, but Stan hates the noise I make. You know that noise?
Yeah, we get it.
You want it? Taylor M special, 50% off.
Really? Mm-hmm. Okay, but don't tell Stan.
Mum's the word.
I'll add it to my list of stuff I couldn't care less about.
Hi, I'm Mr. Grumpaloo. Will you be my friend? Oh, sorry about that. No, let me do it again.
Okay. So that's all of them.
Well, I'm no expert, but that last person was horrible.
Actually, that last audition was you.
Seriously. It was the lady who slept in the barn, right? Or was it that guy with no nads?
That was you, Millie.
No, it wasn't. I don't sound like that.
Sometimes it can be a little strange to hear your voice outside of your own head.
You mean I sound like that all the time?
Yeah. I mean, you don't always belch.
So it's agreed we go with a professional.
Hello. Huzzah.
See, you sound perfectly fine.
I thought voice number 2 was good. What do you think?
I think number 2 was a little chunky.
It's a voiceover.
Wah.
What you're doing isn't even based on science.
Listen to me. I'm half crow, half hyena donkey monster.
Although number 4 was good, too.
I think we should listen again.
Thanks for the help. Oh, hey, glad you could make it. You seemed a little upset when you left Joyce's office yesterday.
Oh, was I?
A little. So I came up with a relaxation exercise that I think might help. You and I are going to keep this balloon in the air as long as we can. It's pretty relaxing, although it can also get a little crazy.
No, that sounds delightful.
You have a head cold?
No, I'm fine. Tickety-boo.
I know what's going on here. You're still upset about the audition. Millie, nobody's voice is perfect, except maybe Brenda Vaccaro's. The point is, there are some things we can't change that we just have to accept.
I totally accept my voice. As we are hearing it now.
And how do you plan to keep up this baritone?
I am taking up smoking.
No, you're not. Give me that. This is all very unhealthy. There are better ways to deal with this.
You're right.
What are you doing? Irma dog peeking? Okay. Lima dog peeking?
No, I'm going to stop speaking if I don't... Oh, you're good. You got me talking.
Millie, you can't.
You almost gave me a heart attack. Oh. Damn your balloons.
Wait up.
Taylor, my nephew's soccer team is selling chocolate bars to raise money for new uniforms.
I'm also selling some stuff to help raise money.
Well, great. For what cause?
'Cause I want a leather jacket.
For a team?
Team Taylor.
Wow. Pretty selfish, Taylor. Pretty damn selfish.
Oh, and $5 for a chocolate bar isn't.
Having trouble with your points?
I can't close the deal. Sure, if I was a soccer team or a diseased kid or a diseased soccer team, I'd be raking it in.
Well, I could help, but
There's always a but with you.
I want that water feature for free. You want that leather jacket or not?
Heaven help me, I do. Fine. But if I don't get results, then your little desk pawn's gonna have a run-in with my new Cuisinart 5-speed hand mixer. No, that doesn't work. My new, steel-shafted Callaway 9-iron.
I am shaking in my boots. Where the hell have you been? I need Millie to sign off on this Grumpaloo doll. I keep calling her and all I get is dead air.
She's refusing to speak.
Terrific. We're gonna wind up peddling these plastic voice bags for Easter.
Don't worry, there's still plenty of time for you to exploit the miracle of Christmas. I called Millie and invited her to lunch. Anna and I have it all worked out. A little something we call Operation Millie Talk.
How did you talk to her on the phone if she refuses to speak?
I didn't say we spoke. It'd be really great if you could make it.
Depends, huh? What are you having?
Paninis?
He says paninis. She says she'll be there. Here you go. Nah, I got other plans.
Okay, now you remember the conversation topics.
Flavored popcorn and rum drinks. What about gay marriage or women in the priesthood?
She doesn't understand what the fuss is all about, but flavored popcorn drives her nuts, and she can't shut up about rum. Hey, you brought your laptop. Why did you bring your laptop?
Hello, Doc. Thanks for inviting me to punch. I mean lunch.
How resourceful.
Hey, Sheila. I hear you're selling chocolates around the office.
Yeah, just trying to raise some money for my nephew's soccer team.
Well, if you want to keep selling those chocolates on company time, you might want to do a little something to help the company. And by company, I mean me.
So I have you down for one food processor. That'll be $60. I'm really glad you changed your mind, Sheila.
It was changed for me.
Hey, Taylor, hey. Do you have any sweater vests in that magazine?
Oh, there sure are. 3 different colors.
Great. Joyce and I were cutting out press clippings when she noticed this.
The best bang for your buck is a Bahama Mama. A couple of those, and you're drunk out of your gourd.
You were right. She won't shut up about the rum drinks.
Okay, you know what? Enough chit-chat. How long are you going to keep up this no-talking thing?
Thanks to technology, I may never speak again. These canoodles are delicious, Anna.
You're welcome.
This male computer voice is creeping me out. You sound like you're hitting on my wife.
How's this stand? Better?
Yes, I mean, maybe.
Pick another voice.
Do you like this voice? Greetings from the underworld. Ha ha ha, I am hilarious. A hilarious demon. Ha 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 ha.
Oh, looks like somebody forgot to fully charge their battery today. Tell you what, I'm gonna go get dessert. Anna was just telling me how much she loves flavored popcorn, weren't you?
Oh, yeah. Dill pickle? So, are you really not gonna speak? I'm buying an espresso machine. Stan doesn't know. I've been dying to tell someone. Shh.
That's right. Drink it in, Poindexter. That should cover the jacket. And my 127,000 points should cover all this.
It does. Plus, you have 500 left.
Still trying to screw me over.
You could get 2 jars of pickles.
Ha! Try and take my points. Nice try.
I'm on your side.
Yeah? Well, you can go to hell. Pickles. I knew he was trying to screw me.
Are you really going to keep this up forever? I mean, think of all the great things you're going to miss out on. The bingo? Forget about it. Yelling obscenities at an umpire. That's a thing of the past. Yeah, charades? Well, I guess you could be a charader, but charade-y, I don't... You don't want that. That's a dirty sex thing. Look, I appreciate your commitment and your stick-to-itiveness, but this has gone on long enough, and it's time we put an end to it. In here.
Under this palm tree, you have set me free.
This is the perfect place for you to embrace your terrible voice. That's your words, not mine.
And dream and dream.
See, even though her voice was painfully shrill, she was happy to share it with us. Extremely happy. And it didn't seem to bother anyone. Okay. Must be something in here that you'd want to. Oh, look! Greatest hits of the B-52s. No? All right. Maybe you're more of a country western type. You want me to start? Oh. Okay. Well, that's all right. I mean, it's been a while since junior choir, but I'm comfortable with my voice. So. Here I go. How about a duet? Okay.
So, Jimmy has his sweater, and Anna has an espresso maker. And I think that is everything.
What happened to the boxes?
And why does everything smell like a pickle?
Oh, there was a small mishap with some harmless brine, but it's nothing to worry about.
I think there is something to worry about.
There's a gherkin in Jimmy's vest.
Okay, I hit a bump and some jars broke, but that's not my fault. It's force majeure.
Force majeure?
It's act of God. I didn't put the bump in the road. If anything, we should all be angry at the city for the conditions of these roads. The damn politicians, huh?
Give me my money back or I'll beat you with this pickle-soaked hunk of junk.
But I already spent all the money on this jacket. Joyce will back me up.
I don't think so. You need to get me a new water feature.
What?
We had a deal.
It's force majeure. It's a thing. Look it up.
Here comes Mr. Sunshine, making it a brighter day. Oh, yeah. Here comes Mr. Sunshine, making it a brighter day. Oh, yeah. That was great. It was liberating. Too bad you're missing out. I might sing some Glenn Campbell.
Hey, what the hell was that?
I know, it's kind of like a ballad, but it's also kind of an upbeat pop number, so.
You sang my song.
You wrote Mr. Sunshine? That's one of my favorites.
No, I come here every night and I sing Mr. Sunshine. And then I sing Dance All Night Long. Where do you get off singing my song?
Okay, Mr. Tuffy, just relax.
You spoke. Hey, she spoke.
I heard. You think that deep voice is gonna scare me?
Well, I do have a demon voice, but I didn't charge the battery. Oh! It's hard to keep up.
You amateurs need to learn a thing or two about karaoke etiquette. Sing one of my songs again, and there's gonna be trouble.
Well, we certainly wouldn't want any. Feels so right. It can't be wrong. I'm gonna slow dance with ya all night long. I'm gonna slow dance with ya all night long. I can really see why you sing this every night because it is a blast.
Okay, Millie, I think you made your point. Maybe we should scram now.
Okey dokey doc.
It's good to hear your voice again, though.
It has its moments, doesn't it? By the way, Anna bought an espresso machine.
Hey, there's my buddy.
Can I help you, sir?
You sure can. I'd like to return this.
Do you have the receipt?
Yeah, coming right at ya.
The ink is run. I can't make anything out.
Well, I didn't want to get sticky here, but that's because of those pickles you forced me to take.
This could be a laundry list for all I know. Sorry, I can't accept this.
Oh, you are loving this, aren't you? Well, guess what? You just lost yourself a customer because I am never shopping here again. Where are your water features?
Now 14.
There you go. The doll is approved. You can soap or milk or squeeze whoever you want.
Thank you. And I have something for you.
Oh, could you make it quick? Old Faithful here is making me have to pee.
Ta-da!
Missy.
Hi, I'm Missy. Will you be my friend?
Oh, I love it. You know, my voice is starting to grow on me.
Testing. Is this thing on? Oh, sorry. Can we do that again?
One day, Missy Grumpaloo woke up and discovered that she'd lost her beautiful voice. She learned that an evil lizard had stolen her voice and was holding it ransom in a magical box. So, Missy started performing as a mime and made lots and lots of money. And once she had enough, she returned to the lizard, beat his brains in with her bag of coins, and took back her voice.